Test 1, 2. in case you're wondering if you're going to do live streaming or anything like that, you can connect to our network here at the college. On your networks, it should be the Tri-County Student Network. Password is just Tri-County, no lowercase, or all lowercase, no spaces.
We'll give you all a few minutes just to get set up. Just let us know when y'all get set up. If you need to put something up here, you can put something up here. You need to. Let me put this on or just let it?
You can just sit right there.
Good. Thank y'all for coming today. This has probably been one of the worst days in my career. This is a tough day for law enforcement for Cherokee County. I'm Sheriff Smith, Cherokee County, and I want to start off by thanking our partners that are behind us here. Law enforcement, it takes a lot to put our efforts together. But today I want to get started by saying we've had a detention officer get killed in the line of duty. The detention officer is Francisco Flates. Francisco was shot today at Murphy Medical Center facilities here in Cherokee County. There was an inmate that was transported to Murphy Medical Center for treatment. While there was a scuffle, and during that scuffle, the inmate took the detention officer's weapon and shot the detention officer. The detention officer was transported to Murphy Medical Center and was pronounced deceased. Also, the suspect, Kelvin Simons, fled in a stolen vehicle and was apprehended in Macon County, North Carolina. I just ask that you pray for our office, for Officer Flates' family. This individual is going to be charged with first-degree murder. And I'm going to let the district attorney's office speak on some of the charges, and then I'll take some questions if you have questions.
My name's Ashley Hornsby Welch. I'm the district attorney for the 43rd District. The State Bar ethics rules only allow me to say so much given somebody that's charged, but as of right now, this individual is going to be charged with 1 count of first-degree murder, and we anticipate that more charges will be forthcoming. We've also been in contact with the United States Attorney's Office, and I do believe that charges are likely coming from them as well. We both have jurisdiction.
Thank you, Ms. Welch. Also, I think Murphy Medical Center has a statement that they want to speak, so I'll ask them to come on up and speak.
I'm Teresa Boleg. I'm the administrator and associate chief nurse of Erlanger Western Carolina Hospital, and that is also Murphy Medical Center. We do business as Erlanger Western Carolina Hospital. We are saddened by the tragic events that occurred today at Erlanger Orthopedics office in Murphy, North Carolina, involving a fatal incident between a law enforcement officer and an inmate in custody. Our thoughts are with the fallen officer's family, colleagues, and those impacted. Our top priority is the safety and security of our patients, visitors, and staff. While this heartbreaking incident appears isolated, we are working with local authorities to ensure our campus is safe for everyone. Out of respect for the ongoing investigation and the families involved, we will not be providing further details. Any additional inquiries on the investigation should be directed to the Cherokee County Sheriff's Department. Thank you.
I'll take a few questions if you have them.
What spellings of the all names, please?
Suspect spelling Kelvin, Kelvin, Simons, Simmons.
Got the age, hometown?
Yes, 12/17 of 76. Officer Francisco Paul Flates,
How's that last name spelled?
Flattes.
Was there another?
There was George Feinhauer, Feinauer.
How's he doing?
He's recovering.
Did you spell the last name again?
Feinauer.
What's the condition of the suspect? He taken into custody injured or uninjured?
Not that I'm aware of. He was not injured. No.
Sheriff, did he carjacked another officer, or was it somebody who was just at the medical facility?
It was someone that was just at the medical facility.
And was there anybody in the car when he carjacked?
From what I understand, he, when he come outside, they were getting out of the vehicle and he got in the vehicle and fled.
Alone?
Yes.
Sure. He was transporting complaint injuries to his foot.
Okay, he was transported to the hospital there in Macon County. He had complaints of his foot hurting.
What was he incarcerated for?
He was a federal inmate that we were housing in Cherokee County. He had several, I think it was bank robbery charges, and he also had escape charges.
He had previous escape
He
charges?
did have previous escape charges from our facility in Cherokee County.
How long ago was that?
That was in October of 2024.
So these were Cherokee County jailers involved in this?
Yes, Cherokee County detention officers.
When an individual attempts to escape, are they given a higher level of like more officers when they're taken out?
Yes, and that's why there were 2 individuals with him. Any other questions?
How many guards were with the inmate in this big fight?
2. Any other questions?
Yes, I got one. Could you tell us how did he actually, how did the whole incident take place? I mean, how did the officer get shot?
Well, I'm not going to go into detail about that, but I will say that there was a scuffle, and that's when the officer's weapon was taken from him.
Can you tell us a little bit about Officer Flates?
Officer Flates was a good man. Officer Flates had been with the sheriff's office for probably major.
Over 4 years?
Yeah, for 4 years. He was a good detention officer.
So his family?
He does have a family. He's got a wife who also works for our detention center.
Any kids?
He does have kids. A son-in-law that also works for the sheriff's office. Any other questions?
Was there any other injuries as far as the people at that office or staff?
Not at the facility, but there was to detention officer Feinhauer from the scuffle.
Was he age of Officer Flattes?
Do what?
What was his age?
Officer Flattes, I've got his date of birth, 7/24/68.
Was he shot or injured in the scuffle?
Officer Flattes was shot, Officer Feinhauer was not shot.
In situations like this, do doctors ever go to the jail or to the prison to see inmates, or do they always go out?
They do. Our detention center has a medical staff, but this was a specialty appointment for an orthopedic. So in that situation, the inmate has to be transported out of our facility. Any other questions?
Was there any other incidents involving this particular individual at the jail?
I don't have that in front of me right now, but I do know the other incident was the October escape where he had climbed over the fence. Yes.
Sheriff, with the carjacking, there was no one injured there?
No one was injured in it.
So there wasn't anyone else in the car, is that correct?
Correct. Anything else? I would just ask everybody to please keep Officer Francisco in your prayers. I ask you to keep the Cherokee County Sheriff's Office in your prayers. Like I said, this is a horrible day for us as a county. This is a horrible day for law enforcement. But because of the men and women standing behind me in Macon County, the U.S. Marshal's Office, so many partners, our dispatch center, today they've done their job and they've done it good. And we appreciate that. And we thank all of our partners. Anything else? Thank y'all very much.